Good morning, you're listening to the Crypto Digest. Today's date is Tuesday the 29th of September 2020. Your top 3 crypto prices by market cap are Bitcoin at $10,708.86, Ethereum at $353.51, and XRP at 24 cents. Your crypto headlines this morning: Ocean Protocol forks after Kucoin hacker dumps. Artificial intelligence and data service Ocean Protocol has suspended its old contract on the Ethereum blockchain and hard forked its project following the $150 million Kucoin hack. On Sunday at 2200 UTC, Ocean Protocol announced it had migrated from its old token address to a new one to curb the Kucoin hackers' attempts to offload 21 million Ocean tokens worth some $8.6 million. Moving contract addresses has effectively blacklisted the hackers' stash of Ocean tokens, but it also raises questions of the project's true immutability if the protocol can be effectively hard forked in one weekend. Prior to the hard fork, the hacker offloaded some 330,000 Ocean tokens worth $120,000, according to the block head of researcher Larry Cermak. Judge rules in favor of Bithumb. Legal authorities in South Korea have ruled in favor of crypto exchange Bithumb, ruling that it need not compensate a crypto investor who filed a lawsuit against the exchange, who claimed to have lost 470 million won, approximately $402,000, during the 2017 Bithumb hack, according to local news source Yonhap. The legal community, who did not disclose the name of the investor, said that since the user was unable to prove that his data was compromised during the hack, Bithumb would not be held liable for the investor's lost funds. A basic translation of the ruling stated, quote, "There is no evidence to admit that the crypto investor's personal information was involved or included in Bithumb's data that was allegedly stolen as a result of the attack." End quote. $205 million ICO project Filecoin finally sets a launch date. Filecoin was supposed to launch by the end of 2019, but delays and a pandemic pushed that back until next month. The distributed file hosting protocol Filecoin finally has a launch date for its mainnet. It will go live at block 148,888, which should be on October 15th. The date announced yesterday is 3 years after Protocol Labs, the company behind Filecoin, raised $205 million in an ICO for the project. However, in China, an angry group of miners and venture capitalists are threatening to fork Filecoin ahead of its launch. This is because they think they'll be underpaid once the mainnet launches. One main reason: on August 27th, Protocol Labs published a paper stating that the mainnet launch could render up to 80% of miners unprofitable, since the protocol requests far more capital and opportunity costs than are available to most miners. Should Filecoin finally launch next month, it'll have to compete with the BitTorrent file system and storage, similar projects which both beat Filecoin to the punch by launching earlier this year. Our US friends have a tough choice to make with the IRS Form 1040 for 2020. Many Bitcoin owners have adopted a play dumb and hope for the best strategy when it comes to taxes, but now that strategy, never a great idea at the best of times, is riskier than ever in light of a proposed change to next year's tax forms. The Internal Revenue Services revealed the change in a preview of the Form 1040 that every American uses to file their federal income tax. Now, right at the top of the form, below the address line, is a new yes or no question that asks if the filer has acquired any interest in virtual currency. The proposed IRS change comes as the agency continues to ramp up scrutiny of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In some cases, the focus of the IRS has been criminal activity involving digital currency, while in others the agency has sought to identify those who fail to report profits from trading. That is all from me today. If you'd like to get in touch, you can find me on Twitter at RexyCrypto or at theCryptoDSGT or on Telegram at RexyCrypto. Have a great day and I'll see you tomorrow.